Today I'm taking a look at the wireless HD adapter. So this is actually a nice little tight package. Most of the time, these wireless extenders look more like this. You can see a much larger package. Now, if you want to use something like a run and gun rig, having something like this is going to make the whole thing a lot more compact, which is going to be important. You can see these are both HDMI male, and it's actually labeled nicely. So most of them say like TX and RX. This one actually says computer, and this one says TV or monitor. So essentially this is going to be what's transmitting, this is going to be receiving. On the side we got some LEDs to let us know it's on, and we got USB-C on the back to supply power. It looks like they got a little button on here probably for resetting or pairing. We got our instructions, and it says that the power supply should be at least 5 volts, 2 amps, so about 10 watts. This is cool. So this actually comes with our power supplies. So if we don't want to plug the power directly into the laptop, we can just plug that into an AC outlet. It does come with two, one for the receiver and one for the transmitter. So that's good for 100, 240 volts. So it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. We got our 2 power cables. That's USB-A to USB-C. We have an HDMI extension. That actually is a nice ribbon cable. And we have a couple of adapters. So these both go from HDMI. And then we got micro HDMI and mini HDMI. So if you need to plug this into your camera, you're going to be able to do that with this kit. So I got the extension cable plugged into the back of the monitor. I'm going to plug in the receiver into that and power into the back. For my camera rig, I got this cable right here, which is going to do basically the same thing as one of these adapters, but this is just the one that I prefer to use. I'm going to plug the HDMI into that. And the power is coming from this V-mount battery. I'll plug that into there. So you can't see the light is blinking. There we go. So now we have an image. So now I can take this rig, I can move that around. Because we're not connected HDMI to that monitor, I don't have to worry about those cables getting in the way. We can do everything completely wirelessly. Now, I've been using transmitters like this for a while now, but this one I really like just because of the tiny package. That is going to make this kit a whole lot nicer. So overall, that is a very nice kit.